And what does the Yiddish language mean to you today?
Passion. When I see the New York Times and the Wall Street Journal using words like tchotchke and mensch and schlemiel and klutz and there's a Dudnik, and all of these are now in the and chutzpah. Maureen Dowd wrote an article. She's a staunch Irish Catholic, but she said the chutzpah of those people in public office to make these claims. So I say, so that's right on the nose kind of language. And I think that it's so alive. That's the thing that amazes me, that everyone said Yiddish is a dying language, and here, every time I read the newspaper, another one is in, and I'm sure to identify to my children, it's not really English, it's Yiddish.